Yo guys, what's up? It's me, I Need a Job, and today we got a special edition Razy Tempest special edition box or cases. Well, technically it's a box. So right now we are selling these at our store for $65, but unfortunately you can buy them even cheaper, like $35 on eBay if y'all want. But the thing is, we pay $65 for these. So that's just, we're breaking even there. So I'm gonna get into this opening. There's not value in this at all. Absolutely not. I don't know what to get out of this, to be honest. I don't know what the high value cards are on this or in this. I bought one of these for the head of Yugioh, which after this I'm pretty sure it's going to be like $25. But the whole thing with the promos is trying to get, we have to sell those promos out or give those promos out. So the best way to do that is once we're sold out of the product, we don't reorder it. So like for instance, the other special editions were out. We don't order anything else because our prices to the cases, they go up. So I mean, it's about, at this time it's about making profit once the cases are completely sold out. So what we do is we order 2 cases of everything, and then once those are out, we don't reorder anymore, because at that time it's our costs go up from our wholesalers. They always do. It's stupid. I don't know why it doesn't. But this set was a bust for us because they announced they did the ban list, and when they did that, it fucked this whole set up. So the ban list was renounced, and this came out, and that's why we have cases of them still. So Mass Hero Blast. I'm just so what I'm gonna do is try to put the packaging back in the box. That way I don't have much trash. Lost World Wind. That's a money card. That's $3 or $4. So maybe if I get a Lost World in every one of these, I think it's a $2 card or $1.50, and every one of these opens, I think they'll be good. Let's put the rares over here, and the commons right there. This video is going to be a little long because I'm putting the packages back into the box. Let's see what these are. Same promos. At this time, I know that when they started doing the secrets, the secrets in these, they are 2 per box, or 2 per 10, so 1 in every 5 of special editions. So I mean the prices of the secrets are so low that getting the 3rd secret would be nice, but I don't think it would be profitable. One, two, three. Oh, no, I noticed that it's like less trash too, so that helps picking up the trash. Let's see, I got these 2. Oh, there's miscellaneous source. Well, I'll be damned. That's a quarter card. Millions of Eaters, dollar card. Okay. I forgot that those were in a set. Okay, so let's start a running tab of currently, I guess, $2. $2 is the high. I think this is $4. So now I'm at $6. I think it's $4. It might be $3. I'll say we're up to $6. $6.50. Like I said, I'm putting the packages back in the box. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I have a bunch of openings coming up. Bunch of openings. A quarter. $6.50, $7.50. There it is. That's my second secret. I think this is $7. I doubt it. Like $5, $7. I don't know. It got a reprint, I think. So we're up to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I say $5 on this puts us at $12.50. I don't know why I did that. I spent $65. $12.75. I'm not counting all the other commons because they're not in demand, so I don't sell them right away. It takes a while. We have 10 more to go. Oh, there's a dollar card. $13.75. $14. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we're doing a big giveaway at 1,000 subs. Big giveaway. Wow, 3 secrets. Nice. Okay, guys, we hit a God box. I think this is, I say this is $5. Fuck it, right now, $5. So it has 3 secrets. I did hit a God box. So, 3 secrets. That's pretty damn good, guys. 3 secrets. Man, see, damn, guys, 3 secrets. GG, 3 secrets. And I still got 5 to go. Can I get a 4th secret? Now this is where it's hype. Because I got 5 more to go. And I opened 5. So this is good. This is really good. This might change everything. Alright, I'll say I'm up to $20, whatever. I still gotta make another 40. Wow, 3 secrets. And guys, you know how old this set is. You know how old this set is. So it's been sitting in the shop for a long ass time. $25? This is amazing. See, special editions are so worth it. I think they're so worth it. Four to go. 3 secrets. Oh my days. Beautiful. I think it's so worth it. Because every time I turn around, I pop secrets. That's all I do is pop secrets. Let's see if I can get 4 secrets. I will be... It should be Wednesday when I upload. Quarter. Please stick this back in the box. I got 3 left. And guys, if you're not a subscriber to the KonamiCrew, check them out. Check them out. There's some great guys. Great guys. Great guys. No. Quarter. Lost win. So we're almost up to like $24. Damn, Lost Win. I believe Lost Win's supposed to be a short print rare. I'm not for sure. Okay, last two. I know this is taking a little long, but the camera shakes. Possible for a fourth one. Whiptail, which is now in the OT. Last one, guys. Is it possible to get 4 secrets? Because I just hit 3. Not dollar card. That's okay. There's a dollar card. 24. Nope. Bust. So pretty good. I got 3 secrets, which is kind of rare. And then the value, I paid $65. The value here is, I would say, around about 30 bucks because of those cards dropping. Now, if somehow Zodiac came off the ban list or they got support somehow, the cards will go up. But I doubt that I would have any of it left. But let me know, guys. Description is very important. Look down in the description. My TCG shop is down in the description. It's in alphabetical order. And all you have to do is at your UL top number. So the URL address starts with A. That's the easiest way for me for y'all to go right into my shop. And then from there you can change the ending number depending on your settings up on a URL address to a number page. Change that page and it's all in alphabetical order, and that's the way it's set up. That way I know what's up there, that way y'all know what's up there. Y'all can just type in the word search or just type in the card name and look for Manny the Job Store, and that's how y'all can order from me. So that'll be in the description below to that. Let's see. GrimReaper along with the KonamiCrew, their channels will be linked in the description below, guys. Remember, if you were a subscriber, you should have been able to watch WWE Network for free. To get that login password and email, all you gotta do is be a subscriber. And as long as you're a subscriber, you should have my telephone number, and I will text you or call you depending on how you receive messages, and tell you what the password and email is to get into all that. So guys, if you got any questions, leave a comment below, And remember, this is Man Need a Job, hammer down, and WWJ is very important, and that stands for Walk with Jesus. Guys, I'm out of here. Love you all.